Hello Bảo Trâm.
Okay.
Hello Bảo Trâm. Can you hear me clearly? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So, welcome Bảo Trâm to the test today. And now, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay, that's good. So, the first one, I have some questions for you about yourself and your family. So, Bảo Trâm, can you introduce about yourself and your family?
My name is Trâm. I'm 8 years old. My family has 6 people. They are my grandpa, grandma, dad, mom, my younger brother, and me.
Okay, thank you. So, now, the question number two is, so what is your favorite subject at school?
My,
And explain why do you like it?
my favorite subject is art because I want to draw many beautiful pictures.
Wow, okay, really interesting. Thank you. And now this is the last question for you. What do you want to be in the future and why?
Artist.
Okay, can you repeat? Can you repeat I want to be?
I want to be an artist because I like drawing.
Okay, you like drawing? Okay, good job. Thank you, Melody Bảo Trâm. And now we move to the next presentation for today.
Yes.
Now, can you read this one? Presentation of matcha green tea.
Presentation matcha green tea. Tony is a big fan of matcha green tea and wants to find the best matcha in the world. He goes to Japan and France to try different matcha drinks. In France, he drinks 5 cups of matcha very quickly. After that, he feels dizzy and his stomach hurts. Tony regrets drinking too much matcha, but he remembers that as an unforgettable memory.
Yes, that's it. Okay, thank you, Tom. And now let's come to the mini story right now. I will ask you and let's answer teacher. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay, good job. And now so Tony yells, wow, this matcha is really delicious. And now so the Tony yell, wow, this pizza is really delicious.
No.
No, so the Tony yell, wow, this banana is really delicious.
No.
No, so the Tony yell, wow, this ice cream is really delicious.
No.
No. Okay, so what the Tony yell?
Tony yells, wow, this matcha is very delicious.
Okay, yes, well, this matcha is really delicious. Okay, so now Tony takes the first flight to Rennes. He's really excited. And now, so does Tony take the first flight to Singapore?
No.
No. And does Tony take the first flight to Vietnam?
No.
No. So does Tony take the first flight to France?
Yes.
Yes, that's good. And now, so why does Tony take the first flight to Rennes?
Because he wants to find the best matcha in the world.
Yes, okay, because Tony want to find the best matcha in the world. So Tony hear that Spring has a very rare matcha and he want to explore it. Okay, so and how many do you remember? How many cups of matcha did Tony order in ranks?
Tony orders 5 cups of matcha.
Okay, 5 cups of matcha. And now so how much of 5 cups matcha, how much are they?
30 euros.
Yes, that's good. Okay, all 5 cups are 30 euros. And after 15 minutes, Tony started to feel dizzy and his stomach hurt. So, do you know why after 15 minutes, Tony started to feel dizzy and his stomach hurts? Why?
Because he drinks
Because he drinks.
very fast
Oh,
and Quickly.
Okay, quickly. And how long does Tony drink on 5 cups of matcha?
He drinks 30 seconds.
Okay, just only 30 seconds. Okay, and now, so what does Tony regret? What does Tony regret?
Tony will rest and drink some water.
Tony regret next time I will not.
I will not.
Tony regret next time I will not drink too much. Okay, and he noticed that was an unforgettable memory. Okay, so next time, what will not Tony drink too much? Next time, what will not Tony drink too much?
Then Tony not drink too much and he
Next time, what will not Tony drink too much? Will not Tony drink too much Coca-Cola or matcha?
matcha.
Okay, yes, good job. Thank you, Melody. So, let's move on to listening test. Okay, so now you need to listen and complete the table from 1 to 5. And now, do you have notebook? Do you have book? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so now you need to write down the answer from 1 to 5. These are materials and what are they made from? You need to find out two things of each material. For example, wood. Two things made from wood. Two things made from milk. Okay, two things for wraps, sand, and rice. And are you ready to write the answer?
Yes.
Okay, we have 2 times for listening.
Matcha Green Tea Part 3. Listening Challenge. Listen and complete the table. 1. Wood. Paper is made from wood. The table is made of wood.
Okay, number 2.
Yes.
2. Milk. Cheese is made from milk. Milkshake is made of milk and ice cream. 3. Grape. Matcha Green Tea.
Finish number 2.
No. Yes.
Okay, number 3.
From wood. The table is made of wood. 2. Milk. Cheese is made from milk. Milkshake is made of milk and ice cream. 3. Grapes. Wine is made from grapes. The fruit salad is made of grapes and apples.
Teacher finish.
Now, number 4.
4. Sand. Glass is made from sand. This sandcastle is made of sand.
Teacher finish.
Good job. Number 5.
5. Rice. Rice noodles are made from rice. The meal is made of rice and vegetables.
Okay, finish. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, and now, Bảo Trâm, listen again and check. Hold your answers.
Matcha Green Tea Part 3. Listening Challenge. Listen and complete the table. 1. Wood. Paper is made from wood. The table is made of wood. 2. Milk. Cheese is made from milk. Milkshake is made of milk and ice cream. 3. Grapes. Wine is made from grapes. The fruit salad is made of grapes and apples. 4. Sand. Glass is made from sand. This sandcastle is made of sand. 5. Rice. Rice noodles are made from rice. The meal is made of rice and vegetables.
Okay, so let's move on to reading test. And you need to read and write true or false. Okay, and you have 4 minutes to finish it. Let's just write the answer. For example, number 1, true or false. Number 2, true or false, just like this. Okay, now you have 4 minutes to do. Let's go. Please read carefully.
Teacher, finish.
Okay, that's it. Bottom, can you read to me number 1? You choose true or false?
Number 1. True.
2. Number 2?
Number 2. False.
False. Number 3?
3. True.
Mm.
Number 4. False.
Mm.
Number 5. False.
Yes, okay, thank you, Melody, Bảo Trâm. And we finished the test. Thank you and goodbye, Bảo Trâm.
Goodbye, teacher.